Right, it's been a few days since we've done anything, and in them few days I have done a few small little things, nothing to really warrant filming. I feel. I can show you what I've done so far. I've started putting some beams, supporting beams across here. I've boxed it in there for that because that used to fill with water, didn't it? I've got to go and get some more wood to put another one there and another one on the back bit there. The reason why I'm doing that bit like that is because I want to make an access point. So, because when the solar panel's up there, I'm going to want to be able to sort of try and make easy access to get up there and clean them all off. That's the plan. Whether it'll actually turn out like that or not, I'm not sure, but that's the idea. What else have I done? Obviously I've started putting some wood up there for now that I got from the garage, just to, you know, give a bit of support up there. What else? Oh yeah, I've used the posts around the edges on the corners. I've put another bit one here, the fence posts, okay, because that, and you can see there I've started putting the framing because that's where the door's going to sit. I haven't actually filmed any of that, which is not like me. I've just sort of done these little bits, and then before I know it, I've done that so much of the door without filming, so I stopped. But it is basically, all I've done is where this section here was the same as this bit, I've just basically cut that bit out, put another fence post in, made a frame for the door, and then I've put another beam here, so the hinges will go on here. I've actually got hinges. I've got two of these for now. So the idea is I've got to flush and like shave this down because it's overhanging a little bit, but the idea is they will hang like that. Door will open inwards, because once I've done that, I can start doing other things. Ooh, a bit up close. But I've just been drained and tired lately, so coming out here, setting up a camera and doing bits has not really been my priority at the moment. I believe the reason it's probably the medication I'm on is making me feel like this. But I ain't gonna worry you about that. I've forgotten what I was going to say next. I will film the rest of me doing this door and actually building the door. The plan is I'm going to put a couple of deadlocks on it, and it's going to be attached into this bit. Okay, we're going to drill straight through there and have a couple of big dead bolts that go straight into the fence post. And I'll say it's going to open inwards. And then on this bit, once this bit's all done, alright, I'm going to have a power supply unit up the top, the solar panel bit as well. I'm going to put a light switch over this way, so it's going to come up there, across and down, and there'll be a light switch and it'll come up to some lights. On the back bit here, this section here next to the power supply, I was thinking about putting a plug socket there with an RCD, whatever it is, circuit breaker, plug socket, and then put a TV there. Might put a dartboard up over in the corner there, because I did have one in the garage and never actually got used, so I might stick that up there. then eventually, as you know, when I start going that way with the shed, this wall will get moved. So that will get shoved back that way. So really, I can maybe make a start on this wall, put some cross beams in it to strengthen it up and to attach things to. I'm going to work out roughly how high I want the bench, because I am going to like put one of the benches is going to come along here. Regards to getting the car in and out, when I get around to it, this panel here, I will probably section up so it's 3 separate panels, so I can remove them one at a time, take the fence panel up from the back and get the car in. That's the plan. Might subject to change on that one, but that's where we're at the moment. I've done the fairings. That's all done. Oh, I've got a couple more to do. One there. All right, and then I'm gonna order. I'm debating 11mm would be strong enough, because I don't plan on going on it, standing on it a great deal. Just getting up there, sweeping it down, cleaning the solar panels. Or if I went 18, like some people have said, I can actually stand on it because it'd be structurally strong enough for me to stand on, because the rafters, I've done them at 400mm from centre to centre. So I don't know. It's getting there, guys. It's just so slow, but I'm doing it all on my own, no help, taking my time with it, because I'm having to do it around other commitments, health things and stuff like that. You know, putting these walls up, I discovered a lot, but I'm undercover now, so I can work inside out. I think the next step would be, once the door's on, I'm thinking about making 4 concrete blocks to go in underneath each corner. So I put one there, one in this corner under each fence post basically, and I can take all the wooden bits out that I've got to support in the frame, and then I can just backfill it with concrete with some rebarb. I'm going to put some sand down, sharp sand down on the floor, cover it in damp-proof membrane, and then rebarb, and then concrete. I don't think I'm doing too bad, to be fair, considering I've never done anything like this before. I really don't. Yeah, I'm just impressed with it so far. I'm happy. Now, obviously there's things, once I've done it, I'm looking at it now, I think I could have done that a little bit better, but there's no point in worrying about it, because it's going to serve its purpose, and we're all learning from this. This is how I'm doing it. It might not be how you do it. I don't know, there's no right or wrong ways when you custom build a shed, I guess. You know, once all this project is done, I will do a price thing and see if I, you know, work out what it costs me to build it, rather than buying one of the size I'm going. I quite like the roof opened up like this. I might, when I've been doing this, I thought I could put like a little proper roof on it, you know, a truss roof or whatever it's called, just a little one. But no, because you can use it up there as a bit of storage, couldn't you? But all these silly little ideas, but they can be for later. I mean, let's get the actual thing built on a solid base. I have got some sort of power coming in, so I've got a little bit of power. Facebook Marketplace has been my best friend recently for getting some electrical cables, plug sockets, stuff like that. But anyway, fingers crossed, when the main video for the next part of this goes online, will be the walls being built, you know, because I built a couple of them and then got them up to see how they'd fit, and then I bought the camera in to film the rest of it. So yeah, the next main video will be that. It's just such a long process, but I am going to film some more now of doing the door. But if you guys have been following along so far, I do appreciate it. And car content is coming back to the channel very soon, because I've started, I think in one of the YouTube shorts I did mention that I'm going to get this done, bring a load of the stuff over from the garage from the ST, like suspension struts, you know, subframes, stuff like that, and I'm going to actually do the work in here. Okay, and then when it's all done, I can take it over to the garage, and all I've got to do at the garage is just put it all together, and then I can put it on the floor and get it over here. But time's not my best friend. Finance, as is everyone. And health, obviously. So anyway, I've jabbered on enough on this update. I will catch you in the main video, which should be up online hopefully in the next couple of weeks. So I hope everyone has a good Halloween, and it's not raining, that's all right. Yeah, hope everyone has a good Halloween and has lots of fun. So I'll speak to you guys soon, and I'll see you in the main video. Bye for now.